I like it. Good morning, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, please, and like, also share. If you are a return subscriber, thank you for coming back. I really do appreciate you guys. So today I am not going to work. I am home. I don't have the day planned yet, but I might as well spend the whole day watching TV or sleeping. But before any of that, I have to clean my bedroom. I've already sorted out my clothes. So now I just need to sweep and mop. But anyway, before I do that, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. I woke up very hungry. So I need food to function. That's me. I don't function well when I snatch calf. If I'm not fasting, I have to eat. So let me go make breakfast. Inyaye. 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 Apana nyamu tapana. Inyaye. Inyaye. Moyo não gosto. Ah, te vira. Vamos orientar hoje. Graças. Ani mama undidi. Endwenda. That's a good question. Basa kwetu kuna basi. Isiku basa kwenda kuna basi. What's the 10 really? Who's watching? So that don't want to go do it. Mama, pika rozwa. Nguvu nangerea rozwa. Skadu. Ah, já fiz. Rudo. Rudo. Para dulu. Yeti. Ah, I thought about it. What's her name? I know we have. Last week night of both go number one. Then I was with an man. Who day you're up? That's it? Someone also. Yeah? When I get expendable. Sorry about Caesar. Young men willing to take this road. I'm going up to Stonebank. But see, nothing like this. I'm back to dead, my friend. I drama. What sort of work is that? Yeah. This is the movie first. Yeah? Yeah. Nyasha. Exactly. Just tell us what you want. What about these guys? What are you saying? Come on, bless it. Made me appreciate the right. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love. Comes falling down. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. Hey, brother, to believe in one another. Hey, oh, it's falling down on you. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. When it's all over. Dun, 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 dun. You. Oh, right. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. For thinking something for real. I just finished bathing. Ooh. Isn't that feeling when you do something jingo push it aside? That's how I'm feeling right now. I cleaned my room and then I just finished showering. I feel very productive. I'm proud of myself. Oh, let me go watch TV in peace. Do you know that TV? Let's see what's on TV. The Croods. Oh, yeah, paid. I just missed it. The Angry Birds. The Fifth Wave. I wanna watch this. Set reminder. Journey to the Center of the Earth. I watched it a few days ago. Let me go check on Taken 3. Eesh. You have to pay that anyway. What's on Net Geo? Safari Live Sunset. Amaya. So let me watch. It's a cartoon or what? Nah. Inside Man. What's this? The Angry Birds. Amaya, so that one Angry Birds. Jen. No. Oh. Chicago PD. Let's watch Chicago PD. What's that? Look at this smoke. You don't know in a mumba. Aha. Very soon. I just cleaned my room. Apa window rangu side. Shagoma. Anyway. Calls around to the real estate firm, but they aren't open yet. According to the records on file, the firm's in this house for 5 years. Good luck. Lockbox is broken. We got no signs of suspicious vehicles. There's traffic cams about 3 blocks away. Keep working the perimeter. Chances are. Kid tried to escape. Struggling shoes. Hi, Bo. At least what's watch our square no. Hey guys, so it's around 7 p.m. right now. It's end of day. I had a wonderful day. My day was good. I got to relax. Besides cleaning my room, I literally spent the day watching TV, and it was needed. I hadn't done that in days, not like the watching TV part, but okay, I hadn't really spent the whole day in the lounge in days, not even days, in months. I'm always in my room. I don't watch TV. Ndogona movie one, and then come back to my room. But today I spent the whole day in the lounge. I don't know how many movies I watched, and I feel proud. I'm happy about that. So what I'm going to do right now is go through some book. I have this book that I want to start reading, so I want to go through it. I want to start reading it actually, and then have dinner, then sleep. So thank you guys for spending the day with me. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, I'm on a journey to 100 subscribers. I'm on 53 subscribers right now, 47 to go. So please share. And that's pretty much it. Good night. See you in my next video. Okay, before I go, let me just show you the book that I want to start reading. So I have this book that I got from my sister sometime last year. I remember I just went through it a bit, but I was intentional about it because I was still reading this one. And anytime that one, but I started reading it. I think in that time I was reading a few weeks ago. Is it September? That time I was reading August, and so it's a very nice book. It's a very good book, especially if you struggle with anxiety and if you are an overthinker like me. It's a very small book, so we're not going to repeat in a day, but I feel like if you really want to be intentional, I don't know that it step by step. Make sure that you understand every bit of it. Maybe get a chapter by chapter. Like you start by the first one, which is obeying the voice of God. Work on that for maybe a day or two, depending. Go to chapter and again my page man. Yeah, because it also has Bible verses. So I will be referring to the Bible. Oh, it's got dates exactly. So if you start with this one and thank God today is a Monday. Yes, Monday. So I'll do obedience since today is Monday. And then I'll do, let's see, Tuesday. Tenji. Oh, it's still obedience. Still obedience. Okay. Yeah. So it's week 1. Obedience is for week 1. Let's see. Yeah, obedience is for the first week. We'll be working on obedience. And then the second week 2, we'll be working on integrity. Oh, I like it. I like it. I want more of these. Obvious. You're not today on going live. Izvozvi like now eh? Ai iribo. Oh Vivi. Airibo mfano wangu.